up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I actually wanted to try something new. Instead of testing out new products, I'm gonna try out some old products that I've purchased over the past few years. Well, probably like over the past year or so. So yeah, I have so many like makeup products that like are so good. I just don't really use them anymore because there's just so many new, products coming out every, freaking day. So yeah, I just want to play around with some old makeup and show you guys what's still good and available. So let's get started. Let me put these little cat ears on that I got at Ulta like a month ago. It was like, I think like $8, but it's a little... So I got my little cat ears on and, looking cute. Anyway, so I'm gonna start off with the Honest Beauty Everything Primer. It's a mattifying primer like this. And yeah, this is really good primer, and I haven't used it in a really long time. It is a little pricier than like any other like drugstore primers, I would say, but it's still a decent, quality, and it has really good ingredients. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face. I haven't worn a mattifying primer in literally probably like 6 months now. I used to only wear mattifying primers, but I don't know, I feel like lately I've been just using more of like moisturizers and dewy primers instead of like matte primers. But yeah, let me put a little bit more on my face, just like this. Also, tinted my brows a couple days ago. They look so good. What a difference, right guys? Looks good. Okay, for the foundation, we're gonna use the Bare Minerals barepro foundation in shade Aspen 04. And then let me just shake this foundation up a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of this foundation on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take my Morphe, foundation brush. And I'm going to just start, blending this in. This foundation has such a look. I feel like this is a good coverage. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty good. Covers up my redness and my freckles. I don't know. I feel like it has a pretty decent coverage. I wouldn't say it's like full coverage, but still really decent. What do you guys think? It looks really natural and like a little shine to it. But definitely, that was already like a couple pumps. The brush like freaking ate up the foundation. Maybe I can try this next time with the beauty sponge. I usually tend to go for more of a darker foundation since I am really pale, and it just it kind of washes me out whenever I wear a foundation like that. That's all for the foundation. I look really freaking pale right now. We gotta bronze up a little bit, but yeah. And for the concealer, I want to use the Maybelline concealer. I think this is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 5 Ivory, and I'm gonna put this underneath my eyes. Ooh, yeah, I used to love this concealer. Like, I swear, like probably like 5 freaking months ago, I used to fucking use this every single day, bitch. This is like a dupe for a Tarte Tape Shade concealer. Look at the fucking coverage, guys. This is ridiculous. Let me pull a little bit on my nose. And I'm gonna spray my beauty blender Morphe sponge. I actually just grabbed it earlier because I realized I still need to grab it because I hate putting freaking concealer underneath my eyes with a brush like that. So bitch, this has a coverage. Maybe a little bit tiny bit too light, but this is gonna add such a good coverage to the foundation. See, I always buy these products, then I try them out for like a week, and then, I'll wear them for a little bit and then just kind of forget about them, and then they'll just sit in my like little container for my foundations and concealers. But at least when I make videos like this, I get to go back and find them, so that's a nice thing. Beautiful. And then for the powder, I want to use, actually, you guys can see how freaking used up this is. It's the Rimmel London translucent powder. This used to be literally my favorite powder, especially if you have oily skin. It just like sets your face in nicely. I need to pick up more of this because I really do miss using this powder. Alright, so that's enough for the powder, and then I want to take a little bit of translucent, like loose powder to put underneath my eyes. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution translucent baking powder. Yeah, this is really good, affordable, like a baking powder. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this powder underneath my eyes. Alright guys, so I'm going to let this sit. I'm going to quickly do the brows of the camera. You know what they say sometime, but I am going to use the Anastasia brow pomade and chocolate. This is literally my old time, like, why am I smelling this? What the fuck was that for? But anyway, this is my old time favorite brow pomade. So yeah, I just figured we can use that, a little throwback. And I haven't used it in a long time, so. Alright guys, so I'm back with the brows on. And we're going to go in with the Too Faced Somebody bronzer. This is the little cute bronzer. This is literally my favorite bronzer back in the day. This one and then the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Those bronzers, those two. Number one. And I'm going to bronze up my skin a little bit. I forget how nice this bronzer is. I'm a little bit crazy on my forehead with the bronzer. Thank God I wear bangs, because that'll cover that up. Alright. And then for the blush, we're going to go in with the Milani Blossom Time Rose blush. This was like literally the only blush I would ever wear. I think it was like one of the first ones that I ever even bought. It's such a like pretty pink. I have like a nice like a golden like shimmer in it. Alright, let me get rid of that fallout and kind of just dim everything. And look so cute. So that's enough for the blush. Totally recommend this if you want like a cheap, affordable blush. And then, for the highlight, we're going to go in with the Becca Champagne Pop, of course. This is like such an OG, like back in the day, like, highlight. Man. This is so cute. Such a beautiful highlight, guys. I just don't want to stop applying this. It looks so pretty. That is gorgeous color. Oh, I need to start wearing this highlight more often. And then for the eyeshadow palette, I want to use this Makeup Obsessions Belt Jordan palette. And I was really thinking about like using these, kind of like another fall like makeup look inspired kind of tutorial, I guess. Alright, let me just dust off the pigment on the brush. Alright, we're gonna go into that orange shade called Sagittarius. I'm gonna dip that shade in, get rid of the fallout. Ooh. This is more pigment in it than I thought it would be. I did not expect this. Whoa. Alright, and then I'm gonna go into that shade called Pops. I'm gonna dip in. It's like a light brown color. And I'm just gonna blend that on top to kind of deepen this with the same brush. Alright, so we kind of deepened that in. And I'm gonna take like a smaller brush. I'm gonna take like a small brush like this, and I'm gonna tap in that shade called Hot Sauce. And I'm gonna kind of pack that on top of the lid and line like the outer corner of the eye. And let me take that other brush that we had earlier and just kind of like blend that together. And then I'm gonna put a little shimmer shade maybe, and we're gonna go into that shade called Queen. Alright, that shade is not really coming off, so let me use a different color and a different brush maybe. Alright, I'm gonna go in that shade called Bear. Oh, okay, that's way better. Alright, I really like that. What do you guys think? That's cute. Okay, and then let me put a little bit of like a highlight on my brow bone. I'm gonna use that Becca highlight. I'm gonna put some in the inner corner of my eye. And then on the brow bone. Alright. That's for the eye. I'm gonna go quickly off the camera, finish up the other eye. Put some pure Barbie lashes. These are my favorite lashes. I don't have any like old lashes. So I'll just use these, and then, you know, we'll finish up the rest. Alright guys, I'm back with the eyes finished and some lashes. Ooh, this came out so good. For the mascara, I used the Wonder Beauty Unleashed Volume Curl Mascara, and then the Barbie lashes. And then the last step we have to do is lipstick. So for the lipstick, I chose the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in shade, it doesn't say, so this is the color of the lipstick. Let me try this. Oh yeah, this is gonna perfectly match that. This is such a pretty color. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I love it. I think it came out really cute. It's so like fall and like beautiful. But yeah, I'm so happy about this makeup look. I wish like my makeup came out this good when I'm actually going somewhere. But no, it only has to be when I'm literally, what time is it? It's 2:05 in the morning right now. And you know, had nowhere else to go tonight. And my makeup looks really good, so this is kind of sad now. But anyway, like, I'm so in love with all these products. Like, I literally forgot about this lipstick. Like, I probably used it like once or twice, and like, I think I'm gonna wear this. This is like such a perfect like fall, like a dark rich brown like nude. I love it. And then, you know, like the foundation, like I really like it. Mine is like it's sinking into my smile lines, but it could be also the combination of the powder and the foundation, so that's something I have to play around with. But oh my god, the eyes look so beautiful. I love it. I'm so happy. I don't know how many times I have to say this, but alright, well, this is better, guys. What do you guys think? This is so cute. That's all for today's videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out a couple of my other videos. Check out my Instagram, which is Simi_Violet. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Making money like a mint, lying in my eyes.